Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of React Native. So today we are going to learn about how to add React Native toast messages both for Android and iOS. Previously we have worked with the Android only, which is the default or feature of the Android. Now we are adding the toast messages for both. Okay, so we are going to use the package React Native toast message, and it has many much downloads. You can see that 50 downloads they have. So this is a much, like like popular package, you can say. The rest of the packages I have said that the number of downloads is less, so I'm trying to use this package right now. Okay, so let's add this package in the previous code. Okay, we're not going to switch anything over the right. So I'm going to add here the package npm install toast. So the package is installed. Okay, so we have to create a build, and let's see, let's modify the app.js. So we need to import this one. So go to the code, source code. um, okay, so I'm going to add here the package import, and what next we have to add this toast message. So I'm going to export this one. This is basically a ts1 props. They are foo props, they have function toast. Okay, let's create a button on press. So we will use this one same, and we will use show toast message. So here we are using on press show toast message only, and rest we are going to hide this one. We don't require it. We don't require this one. Okay, and here we can add title show toast. Okay, show toast, and this is button dot all there. Show toast we have to define. Okay, so let's add the const show toast. Which one is? Okay, so let's add this. Okay, let's add this part. Constant show toast. This part, right? This is added. Okay, so let's see how it works. Oh, I have added in the another thing. Okay, sorry. Let's copy all these things. Go Control A, Control C, Control A, Control V. Okay, this we have added the show on test, show toast, and that's it. Let's see on the any text part what exactly it is showing. Let's reload this one, or syntax error, import export only appear at the top level. Top level. Let's create a build. Import toast from React Native message, or I need to open in a VS Code. Let me check this. First we will create a build, or we will build create the build from here. Terminate. It says syntax error. Let me open this in a code. So where is app.js? There is syntax error over here. Syntax error for what? This part, syntax error for what? Let me check this. Syntax error is there. So this is closing. This is missing. This needs to be closed. This needs to be save. And then this needs to be run, build, terminate. Can okay. Let me again reset this one. Reload this one. Reload. Okay. Let's see the anydesk part. So React Native show toast. Is there any error over there? So why this is not showing anything? Let me check this. Show toast message on press. We have added where it is. Let's add this button only. Okay. So let me add this button. Okay, we need to import the button also from the React Native button. Okay. So here we go with the toast. Reference I can't find the variable button. Let me reload this. Let's create the build. Build is successfully done. Let's the make the background to be it's basically black, so might be. Let me check button. What next? React Native button for this. Okay, this part we have not yet added, so that's why those messages are not showing. So we need to add this one. Okay, so uh, here we go with adding this one. So where is our code? So here we have to add this one. Toast. Okay. Now we can see that the toast messages. Let's see. You can see that hello there is something. Okay. So this is how we can show the toast messages in the React Native. So any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.